In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new workspace in Base44. We'll walk through this process from the moment you're inside your Base44 account, and by the end you'll have a brand new workspace ready to use. I'll keep things simple and clear, and you can pause or replay any part as you follow along. First, make sure you're logged into your Base44 account and you're on the main dashboard. Take a look at the upper right hand corner of your screen. You should see your profile icon there. This might be your initials, a small avatar, or a generic user icon depending on how your account is set up. Move your mouse over to that top right area and click on your profile icon. This will open a small menu connected to your account and workspace settings. In that menu or nearby, look for the section where your current workspace is shown. Right next to your existing workspace name, you should see a small plus sign. This plus sign is the shortcut for creating a new workspace. Go ahead and click on the plus sign beside the workspace area. Once you click it, Base44 will take you to the Create Workspace page. Here, you'll see a field where you can type in the name of your new workspace. Click inside that text box and carefully type the workspace name you want. Try to choose a name that clearly describes what this workspace will be used for, such as a team name, a project, or a client. Clear naming will make it easier to stay organized later, especially if you end up managing several workspaces. Before you move on, quickly double check the spelling of the workspace name. This is especially important if your whole team will see and use it, because consistent naming helps avoid confusion. If you change your mind, you can still adjust the name now by simply editing the text. When you're happy with the workspace name, look for the button labeled Create Workspace. It should be clearly visible on this page. Click on the Create Workspace button to confirm. Base44 will now set up your new workspace. After a moment, you should be taken